dog. I didn't mean to throw the middle fingers already, but you know what I'm saying? Just fuck the world. But I love y'all. So
FTP, fuck the population.
looking at us. Let's say fuck the population.
That's what Suicide Boys is.
Yeah, we don't fuck the population.
Hold this. Hello.
Hello.
I know
Okay.
that I can bring love and positivity and creativity.
She telling the truth. She looked off to the right. Cute.
How do you get up here? It's PG-13, not rated R.
She took that from me,
If y'all haven't seen the latest video, I don't know what y'all doing for real. I need to go watch it. I'm sweating.
The topic is about positivity. I really hope that everything is going well with y'all and doing good with y'all. I know life can be hard sometimes. I know it's the first of the month. Everybody paid their rent, didn't they? Now I know you. Wake up. It's the first. Wake up. Hey, look. But no, we just out here getting some sun. Especially me, you know what I'm saying? This one right here, she already hot already. Me already, I'm gonna have a hoodie on. And I'm
it's
just
because I have
chilling.
beard.
Whatever. Everybody say, everybody have excuses, you know what I'm saying? I'm just playing. It's okay to show your feelings.
It's okay to not be okay. Mental health awareness is one of the biggest things that people do not talk about. And I hope y'all know there is someone out there that loves y'all. I love y'all. We love y'all.
Hey, look, love is a strong word. But like, share, subscribe if you love me too. Look how beautiful.
Type shit.
This sun always do me justice.
You're so handsome. So this is your interview for today, sir. Can you state your name and your occupation here? No. State your name and your occupation.
I'm sorry, you know. All right, cool. Well, my name is JTN369, and that's my YouTube name. Really, my occupation is I play Rocket League. I'm the best Rocket League player in the world. I just don't play every day. But I'm here to bring positivity to the world, and I'm here to change things in the world if I can, and I know I will. I know it will be a day. We'll be the best couple channel in the world for sure.
For sure.
And you'd be like, man, Alyssa and JTN is the shit.
Type shit.
Tune in. The dude is something crack.
Are you on crack?
Nah, I don't do dope. He said I would survive. See, look how you walking up, boy. Hitting that step, you feel me? I'm feeling that music. Girl, hit that walk. She walking, she getting her power walking. She gonna live forever. She gonna live forever and ever and ever. We were trying to find the gym, but we lost it in a bit.
Dude, it was gonna be a quick 10-minute walk.
I don't do no quickies. Houston, we got a problem. For the sun, what you got to tell to the sun?
The sun, you know, the sun is so beautiful. It's just like this earth. This earth is so beautiful. You see all this greenery.
Yeah, you're right. You know, your professional reason. Y'all like
Keep talking.
stories and stuff like that, you know. She think I care. But I...
Trey. Talking about she thinks that I care. I don't. Say it again. Okay.
Okay. Mama, see the
Say it again.
She don't think she think I care.
What if I just jump off this cliff? You think it's adventurous?
No.
I was bored.
Stop doing it.
Leave it alone.
Your hair instant. You just want to die bald. She just want to die bald, yo.
I do.
I hope it's a human, or not a human turning into a monkey. Let me stop talking about monkeys, because that's very a touchy ass subject. Cause...
Look in the camera.
Oh, yeah. Look how far she gonna go down. Look at this.
How do kids get on this?
I don't know. You got a kid body. You found out. I hit hard, y'all. I thought that was funny.
I thought it was too.
What you say about this? And then they flip a gear.
They sound just like their name. That was beautiful.
I'm innocent.
I thought we was fasting.
Yeah, I am. That's why I didn't want to walk. Now I'm hungry.
You're so pretty.
You ain't doing that.
I can't even. Some bullshit. I did my nails. We made it back home. I'm finna eat and we're finna chill.